everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this gentle 10-minute hip opening flow. Whether you are starting your day, winding down or just needing to release tension, this sequence is here to help you unlock your hips, deepen your flexibility and move with more freedom. Your hips are a gateway to mobility, to energy, to emotion. Let's open them slowly, sweetly and intentionally. No forcing, no rushing. Just breath, presence and soft surrender. Let's begin. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh like a figure 4. Flex your right foot and gently press the right knee away from your chest. Keep your spine long. If it feels good, ink forward slightly. You'll feel a deep stretch in your outer hip. Breathe into it. Don't push. Switch sides. This is where mobility begins, in stillness and breath. Come to all fours, then step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Keep your left knee on the mat. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, sink gently into your hips. Keep your front knee stacked over the ankle. Open your chest. Take 3 slow breaths, then switch sides. From your lunge, shift your hips back, straighten the front leg. Flex your front foot and fold forward gently over the leg. Feel the back of your leg stretch and the hip gently pull back. Stay soft in the shoulders. Relax the jaw. Breathe deeply into the sensation. Then switch sides. This pose helps balance strength and openness through the hips and hamstrings. Take a nice deep breath here. I just wanted to share something quickly. I was looking at my channel analytics and I was amazed to see that about 73% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet. please take just a second to hit that subscribe button below. It's completely free and it ensures you won't lose track of your progress. Thank you so much for the support. Now, let's get ready for our next stretch. Step your right foot outside your right hand. Lower your back knee if needed. Hands can stay on the mat or come down to forearms. Feel the opening through your inner thigh and groin. Stay here. Breathe here. Maybe sway gently side to side. Let the stretch explore the edges without forcing. Back. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Thread your hands behind your left leg and gently draw it in. Feel the stretch in your glutes and outer hip. Relax your shoulders. Let your face be soft. Hold. Breathe. Switch sides. This pose is magic for releasing deep hip tension. Stay here. Breathe into the openness you've created. Feel the difference. Feel the release. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your heart. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Let your hips be soft. Let your breath be deep. In just 10 minutes, you've created more space in your hips, more freedom in your body, and more calm in your mind. Flexibility isn't about forcing the stretch. It's about trusting the process. Return to this routine anytime your hips feel tight, tired, or stuck. And if you loved this session, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next practice. Until then, stay open, stay soft, and stay grounded.